If you own a sports car with higher mileage and a high-strung engine like my M3 and its S54 power plant, it's always a good idea to make sure your engine is healthy and running well. You can test your engine's health by taking an oil sample and sending it off to a lab, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today with Blackstone Labs. It all starts with ordering a test kit from Blackstone. The kit itself is free. Blackstone only charges you once they've gotten your oil sample, analyzed the results, and sent them back to you. Your kit should come with a bottle to take a sample of your oil as well as a little bit of paperwork for you to fill out. Now it's time to jack up your car, change your oil if you need to, and take your oil sample. Once you've collected your oil sample, it's time to fill out the little papers you got with your kit that includes some information about your car as well as payment information. You can then take everything, put it back into the return packaging, and take it to your post office to mail it back to Blackstone for analysis. The results should be back in about a week. Okay guys, so we're here about a week, maybe a week and a half later after I sent in the oil sample to Blackstone Labs, and they send you a PDF which basically gives you a summary of their oil analysis as well as the numbers and how they compare to the averages at the certain mileage for your specific car and engine. And it looks as though on my particular car it's a pretty healthy report overall. They marked that iron, copper, and lead are a little bit higher than normal, but that's probably because I ran the oil for a little bit longer than the universal averages that they use for the results. So overall, very happy with that report. That kind of eases my mind about rod bearings and some of the other issues that can go wrong with the S54 engine at higher mileages, but seems like, at least in the near future, that won't be much of an issue. I'm super happy with the results I got back from Blackstone Labs. If you guys have a sports car or kind of a car that has a high-strung engine sort of like mine, or you just have a high-mileage car that you're kind of curious about the engine health, definitely hit up Blackstone Labs because they can hook you up and tell you kind of what's going on under the hood. But yeah, that's all I've got for this one, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy automotive content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.